Hello everyone, my name is Mark. I'm from NullTX, and today I will be talking about Bitcoin's price. I do apologize for not having done a video in about a week. I will try to be more consistent with it. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Currently, we are trading at 6,400, down about $100 in the past 24 hours. This week has not been very good, mostly because of the SEC's decision to postpone the Bitcoin ETF submitted by Van ECK. So a lot of traders are looking for any sort of signal to either move the price up or down, and the SEC delaying the ETF is definitely kind of a negative thing that a lot of people hyped up, and the price fell quite a bit. It actually fell about $900 just this week alone. So things are not looking too good, but these are all just the ups and downs of Bitcoin, and I do believe that in the coming future we're going to go right back up. So just as a recap, what happened last week. So last week we did touch about 8,000, or I think that was about Sunday of last week. So towards the 2 weeks ago, we did touch 8,000, and ever since then, once the SEC came out with its report about pushing the ETF, things started falling down. And now we're back at 6,400, so down about $1,600 since the peak. We are holding relatively strong at the 6,000 level, so that is good news. Let me get back a little bit to what happened. So the SEC pretty much postponed its decision, and it wasn't saying no to the ETF, but it did postpone it, and so a lot of people decided that the market was going to turn bearish. And what happened was the coin fell by over $900 in a single day, despite several previous drops. The currency was managing to stay above 7,000. Though that didn't really hold through. So Dan Moorhead, CEO of Pantera Capital, said that this reaction wasn't really justified. The price shouldn't have dropped that much because it was pretty obvious that the SEC wasn't going to approve the ETF anytime soon. I mean, if you think about it, the latest ETF that got approved was copper. And copper is the material copper. It was on Earth for over 10,000 years. So the main thing to remember is Bitcoin is a very early stage venture and still got a while to go before an ETF is going to get approved. So some other things is people are saying that the market is oversold, which means that it should come back up in the coming future. And they're saying about there's been a $200 rise. So we did bounce off recently. If I look at let's do the 1 month chart, for example. We did bounce off the $6,200 level, which is good because back here we were kind of fighting with it a little bit and broke through. So we do have a nice little bullish wave here that unfortunately didn't hold. I did think that over the weekend we were going to hold through the 7,500 and hopefully test 8,000 again, but things kind of went down. And again, August was supposed to be a strong month, and I still have hope for it. We're still at the beginning of August, so I do think that we might hopefully retest the $7,000 level. I mean, the SEC news have happened. People are going to move past that, so I do feel like the price is going to have some bullish momentum in the coming future. If you look in TradingView, there is a sell signal. It's pretty obvious just because of the recent bearish momentum. And also, the other thing that's pretty good news for Bitcoin is the fact that at the time of writing, the market dominance for Bitcoin is just shy of 50%. So what that means is people are kind of turning towards Bitcoin now. The altcoins haven't been doing well in a long time, and altcoins always experience like an exaggerated version of Bitcoin's volatility. So if Bitcoin goes down, the altcoins seem to go down a lot harder. In the past, there used to be a reverse relationship where if Bitcoin goes down, altcoins goes up. But in this case, especially in the past year, things have been kind of like linear. So when Bitcoin goes down, the altcoins go down even harder. When altcoins go up, Bitcoin also goes up. But the good news is for Bitcoin traders that the currency does appear to have more dominance, which just means that people are having more trust in it, and hopefully we'll see some more bullish momentum in the coming future. So this is about it. I will keep you guys updated about what happens in some of my predictions in the future, but I also wanted to mention one more thing. If anyone's going to the Blockshow conference in Vegas, I will be there, so let me know. You can contact me on Twitter, NullTX News, or even in the comment section. You can message me on YouTube. I will be there if you want to meet up. I'm definitely excited to be there. Blockshow is going to be one of the biggest conferences, and it's going to be in Vegas August 19th to 22nd. So thank you guys a lot for watching. My name is Mark. I'm from NullTX, and I'll see you guys next time.